DEWALT changes the game with FlexVolt. Now you have the power of corded and freedom of cordless. We're talking the most advanced cordless system we've designed. FlexVolt is the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. In 20-volt max tools, the 15-cell battery delivers 4 times the runtime of the compact 20-volt max battery. Slide the FlexVolt battery into the new line of 60-volt max brushless tools and the battery automatically switches to series, delivering 60 volts of cordless tool performance. Double up 2 FlexVolt batteries for 120-volt max. That's enough to power a 12-inch sliding miter saw. It's the completely cordless, completely flexible job site. It's the freedom to get right to work without the hassle of extension cords. And your FlexVolt battery is compatible with your existing 20-volt max tools and chargers, part of our fastest growing cordless system. So when you need the power to get the job done right, don't reach for a corded tool. DEWALT FlexVolt gives you the power to cut the cord and power up your job site. FlexVolt, power of corded, freedom of cordless. Strip cable quickly and cleanly, every time. No knife needed.
A lot of jobs will not allow you to strip wire with knives anymore. So for those particular sites, this tool is a must.
Cut overhead threaded rod without chips, sparks, or burrs. No exposed blade.
I like how easy it is to use. I like the way it cuts the all thread. I'm actually really shocked at how clean it cuts this thing. And I really like the tool.
This is innovation, designed with safety and productivity in mind. All part of the 100-plus products in our 20-volt max system.
Reach for the Rockwell SONICRAFTER F80, the only oscillating tool with 2 oscillation modes. Mode 1 for jobs needing massive power and a wider blade angle. And Mode 2, a narrow blade angle for precision and control. The fastest oscillation tool is now also the most precise. The Rockwell SONICRAFTER F80. Power and precision, when quitting is not an option.
Keter Folding Work Table. Imagine a workbench so compact and portable, you can bring it from this to this in just 2 seconds. That's right. Thanks to its unique patented opening system, all you have to do is grasp the opening on both sides, pull in the release latches, and there you have it. A practical workstation that saves you ample storage space. And it's sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms. You can even store your toolbox on its bottom level, keeping your tools always within hand's reach. But there's more. The unit also includes 2 clamps that can be easily mounted both horizontally and vertically, making it easy to saw, brush, nail, and do just about anything. So there you have it, the distinct, heavy-duty Keter Folding Work Table. You really can't get more practical than that.
The Worx sawhorses with clamps are lightweight, durable, and a must-have for any DIYer. They weigh less than 16 pounds, but can easily hold loads up to 1,000 pounds. The 2 bar clamps easily attach to your sawhorses when not in use. And when you are using your bar clamps, they easily attach to your sawhorses without tools and will hold your material in a vertical position or a horizontal position up to 18 inches, and they keep your material sturdy and secure while you're working. The sawhorses have a built-in cord wrap and a convenient storage shelf to help keep your work area organized. And the sawhorses easily fold for compact storage. The Worx sawhorses' rugged durability and clamping capability make these a DIYer favorite.
The solution is a precise stop-lock system that removes your tape measure and pencil from the process. The Kreg Precision Track and Stop Kit is just that, and it allows you to unleash your saw's true cutting potential. Once set up, the system gives you accuracy and the ability to make repeatable cuts precisely in just seconds. Traditional stop blocks can offer consistency on repeating cuts, but they are time-consuming to set up and have to be remeasured for each different length you are cutting. The Precision Track and Stop Kit is ready in 3 simple steps for any length of cut. First, align the cursor over your desired measurement and lock. Next, place the board against the stop. Finally, cut your board. That's it. Each piece will be precisely the same length time after time.
In addition to being a light and compact 12-inch compound sliding miter saw, the DWS 780 provides 13 3/4 inch horizontal capacity to cut 2x14 lumber, and up to a stunning 16-inch horizontal capacity when using the backbench feature. Its capacity is a whopping 6 3/4 inches when cutting base moldings vertically, combined with its 7.5-inch nested crown capacity. This 12-inch, 56-pound miter saw has the largest total capacity of any miter saw on the market.
DEWALT changes the game with FlexVolt. Now you have the power of corded and freedom of cordless. We're talking the most advanced cordless system we've designed. FlexVolt is the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. In 20-volt max tools, the 15-cell battery delivers 4 times the runtime of the compact 20-volt max battery. Slide the FlexVolt battery into the new line of 60-volt max brushless tools and the battery automatically switches to series, delivering 60 volts of cordless tool performance. Double up 2 FlexVolt batteries for 120-volt max. That's enough to power a 12-inch sliding miter saw. It's the completely cordless, completely flexible job site. It's the freedom to get right to work without the hassle of extension cords. And your FlexVolt battery is compatible with your existing 20-volt max tools and chargers, part of our fastest growing cordless system. So when you need the power to get the job done right, don't reach for a corded tool. DEWALT FlexVolt gives you the power to cut the cord and power up your job site. FlexVolt, power of corded, freedom of cordless.
Bench Dog Soundshield safety glasses, eye protection and ear protection in one convenient combination. No more misplacing earplugs, and you'll have hearing protection with a noise reduction rating of 25 decibels whenever and wherever you need it. The earplugs are connected to the frames by cords. Just slide the toggle to retract them, and they store in compartments in the earpieces. The glasses themselves are top-notch. They carry a high-impact safety rating and are hard-coated to resist scratches. They also have an anti-fog coating and provide protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Available as regular safety glasses or as fit-over prescription glasses, they incorporate rubber temple interiors for superior comfort and fit. To top it all off, a microfiber pouch is included to store and protect your sound shields when you're not wearing them. Shop safety is important, and there's no more convenient way to protect your eyes and ears than Bench Dog Soundshield safety glass.
The Mitre 1000 SE. This special edition version of the Mitre 1000 adds a telescoping INCRA lock cutoff fence that adjusts from 18 to 30 inches. It includes the incremental flip shop stop positioner for repeatable cut length control, and an exclusive 1/10 degree stainless steel vernier cursor for ultra-fine angle control between stops.